What's up, guys? This is my review of the Bosch microwave. This is a super awesome product, and you know, it's got a really great design, and it's super easy to use. You can actually just hit the open button and it comes out like a drawer. So that is just a super cool feature to it, and it's got stainless steel sides to it as well. And there's a bunch of different settings here, so you can take a look at these settings. It auto closes as well, so look, you just saw it close by itself, which is another amazing feature of it. But it's got, you know, some reheat popcorn, sensor cook, defrost, bunch of different methods, and you can just turn it on with that with the press of the button, and then, you know, it's just a one-touch open close. You can also press this button to close it as well. So it's a super cool feature of this. And Bosch makes really great products. This is more on the premium end of things. So if you're looking for something a little more budget friendly, probably would consider something else. But if you're looking for one of the best stuff out there in terms of microwaves, in terms of convenience and everything like that, this is definitely the product for you. And I just love how it goes right underneath the drawer as well. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thanks for watching. And I highly recommend this product, by the way. Awesome product. Hands down, 10 out of 10.